How to fix when Netflix says go to netflix.com and then finish signing up with your account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you a couple of ways on how you can hopefully fix if Netflix says go to netflix.com and then finish signing up with your account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to finish signing up with our account, why this happens in the first place is because if you've created an account but your payment option is actually inactive, which means that Netflix is not being able to charge you from a payment method that you've added. So you might as well want to make sure to go to complete the sign up process by going to your browser, not from the app, by the way, keep that in mind. Come to your browser, go to netflix.com, try to sign into your account and follow the on-screen instructions. If it asks you to add a debit or credit card, make sure to do that. Now just to check whether or not that you're getting charged properly, on the top right hand side after you log in, you'll find this profile icon. Right over here you want to go to the option called account. Once you go to the option called account, here you'll see all these details. So you can see plan details, profile and parental controls. You'll also actually be able to see your current payment info. So just go to manage payment info and then ensure that all of your payment details are actually correct, and also make sure that you've been charged last month, because if that happens, Netflix might not be able to log into your account. The other thing you can try to do is simply try to sign out by clicking on the sign out option over here and then try to sign back in into your account. So just select go now over here. Once you do that, just click on the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen. Make sure to enter your email and your password and sign into your account and then follow the on-screen instructions. Hope this video helped you, but as I said, the primary reasons why this happens is because if your Netflix account is incomplete, or maybe you're using a different email address, you want to check the email address and you want to make sure to check your payment info as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.